So I'm going to start out by adding flux to all of these points. And you can be generous here. Nothing to be scared of. It's going to get flux everywhere anyway. But all these joints have to get heated up and solder has to be added so that they have a lower melting point. This will make the removal process easier. And who doesn't like watching flux be applied? Glob it all over. And it's coming out really slow because I actually have it a little bit cold because I keep it in the refrigerator. Alright, time to take the heat gun and the solder, and I will be adding solder to all these points.